Welcome to Mickey How. What if your brain is getting tired, but you don't even realize it? Not forgetfulness, but hidden signs of exhaustion. Many seniors experience this, but ignore it until it starts affecting memory and daily life. Today, we review 4 invisible signs you should never ignore. Sign number 1. Sudden decision fatigue. Do simple decisions like what to eat or where suddenly feel overwhelming? This is a key signal. Your brain uses energy for every choice. When it's overworked, even small decisions feel like a burden. The fix? Create simple routines. Sign number 2. Loss of focus in familiar tasks. You've done it 100 times, but suddenly you drift away or forget what you were reading. This happens when your attention system is overloaded. Take short 5 to 10 minute breaks to reset your brain's focus spotlight. Sign number 3 is critical. Changes in spatial awareness. Misjudging distances or bumping into objects isn't just aging, it's a warning. Your brain is struggling to process spatial info efficiently. To protect yourself, stay physically active. Daily walking is medicine for coordination. Finally, sign number 4. Mental slowness. Your thoughts feel delayed. You know the answer, but it takes longer to reach it. Your brain is overstimulated and low on energy. Improve your sleep and nutrition. Your mind needs the right fuel to stay sharp. Your brain is responding to how you treat it. These signs are signals to care and restore. With the right habits, you can stay powerful at any age. Protect your mind and your memories. If this helped, subscribe and share this with someone you care about. Stay sharp, stay growing.